Good morning, friends. In this, I am going to explain how actually you need to do real market trading. Okay. Because many of you face a lot of challenges. Okay. Like how to enter, how to exit, all those challenges. So when I give calls for the training purpose, at that time, people need to understand where to enter and where to exit. How they will understand that I am going to explain in this video. Okay. So let me show you what happened actually and how you need to understand it. Okay. See, today I have given what I do normally actually. So you can also do this. You don't need to depend on me. I have made a list of stocks which are option stocks, like future stocks. Morning, what I click on change in percentage here. Okay. So whichever is the top gainer, I will focus on that. Okay. At 9:15, I will focus, and 9:20 I focus, and 9:30 I will check all these stocks. So morning I selected TCS. Okay. Morning I selected TCS. So it was at 9:15. So at that time I said the first candle once this broken and in 3-minute time frame. I'm not asking about 5-minute time frame. Okay. Then there is a R1 here. Okay. So second candle you're supposed to take an entry, because when you take an entry, it has to be near to daily resistance, near to daily VWAP, near to VWAP and above EMA. Okay, so and it's supposed to cross daily resistance or R1. So exactly near R1, you're supposed to take an entry. Your stop loss is your day low. Okay, this is your stop loss. Okay, so keeping this stop loss, if you have taken a trade over here, so you would have made a profit of 24 points in a fraction of 5-10 minutes. Okay, after that you need to stop and exit. And again, you wait for the price to come down. Okay. So as per the Fibonacci ratio. Okay. What is the Fibonacci ratio says? You calculate the Fibonacci ratio here. Okay. Now, if it comes near to 60%, that is R1, or near to daily resistance, you can take one more trade. You keep focus only on one stock. You don't need to jump to 10, 15 stocks. Correctly, you pick one stock and focus on that. Now, let's talk about the Tech Mahindra. Okay. So I told to take entry over here only, and it went up to here. Okay, again price came down now for the correction near to R1. Again, you can take an entry. Your stop loss will be the candle closing below the R1. So like that. And another thing, Nifty. Okay, so how I told you to take the trade in Nifty, I will explain. Okay, so now you see here. Morning, first candle. Okay, morning, first candle. I told to take a sell short trade here. Okay, so short trade would have given profit of around about how many points, around about 40-50 points in first candle itself. Okay, so 23,800 stop loss, take a put, I said. Then I said don't take any trade, wait. So then I said here you take a call. Okay, keeping 23,750 as a stop loss. So when I say 23,750 as a stop loss, the 23,750 comes here. You see here, 23,750 comes here. Okay, 750. Okay, 747. 750. Okay. Now, according to you, stop loss hit. According to me, stop loss not hit. Reason is 750 below, this candle has to completely close. See, nowadays algorithm works like this. It will come purposely and hit the stop loss. Okay, so you need to have a patience. As the price is above the VWAP, above the moving average, above the daily support. Okay, then why you want to take a short trade here? Your short trade will come below this. Okay, till that time you can buy on dips. Okay, once you take an entry at 750 level, at this level also at least, okay, you would have made a profit of 77 points. Okay, so I said 50 points you need to book. Okay, so until unless now it breaks this high, it will not go up. Again, you have a chance to buy when the price comes and touches the moving average. Again, you can take the entry. Like this, you need to take a long and short trade. Okay, this is important factor in your day-to-day trading. Now, I will show you how Panchak and our Bhadra date works. Okay, so I will show you this how actually it works. Okay, let me show you this. Yesterday, I have told from morning itself. Okay, I will show you the proof. Okay, I will show you the proof. Okay, so that you get, confidence in the Astro finance. See, every day, most of the times I follow this. Okay, so sometimes I follow more this thing, what you call that, technical also. But this was a double confidence setup. Okay, so I will show you that now. So you need to follow such setup. Hero zero call. Okay, yesterday, hero zero call. Sensex rupees 20 option. Rupees 30 means you can book. I just said 20 option you buy and you take profit book at 30 if you want. Okay. And I'm saying what level you need to buy from the morning. Okay. 75 300 Sensex call buy on dips hero zero. Don't be in hurry. Buy near 50 to 20 range, less risk. Hero zero means hero zero, don't expect stop loss. Okay. Exactly touched 20, and from 20 it went to on Thursday expiry, that is on 14th of uh, May month. Okay, so you can check that. Okay, where it went and how it moved. Okay, you can see this. I have shared the screenshot here. This level. Okay, from this level it went up like crazy. Okay, 400 rupees it went. 20 rupees call, it went up to 400 rupees. Only problem with us is what, our mindset. Okay, so once you have a proper control on your mindset, okay, so no problem. Okay, so another thing I will show you. And I say 23,400. Okay, you need to buy level. Okay, so whenever the price comes near to 23,400, 23,270 final stop loss. Okay, see this exactly. Look at the levels. Okay, 23. I said buy near 23,400 and hold 5 days. Based on risk, you can book and buy again near given level. Understand? Okay, now I will show you the beauty. Why I was so confident on this. Okay. Why I was so confident on this. I was confident about Panchak and Bhadra end date. Okay. Panchak was ending on Thursday. As soon as Panchak ends, if you follow the technicals, if you follow the levels, definitely you are going to be superhero. Okay. So what happened here? You see here yesterday. I'll show you. See the level here. Exactly at 23,400 level. Okay. 436. Market gap up. After that, it has to come down for the gap filling many times. It came down. And people, those who took here and they exited here. Okay. But if you took here also, and you can average over here again. Okay, average over here and you can write this trade. Okay, so I clearly clear 23,700 is the target. Very clearly I said, and it went up to 23,700 exactly. Okay, so this is how you can use trading setup using Astro Finance and the Gann level. Okay, this God gift indicator has given you exact level where to enter, where to exit. Okay, yesterday. And based on that, you would have traded. If I put a Gann level here also, you will come to know exactly this was the level where 45-degree angle was formed. From here, it moved up. Okay. So like this, you need to trade. And today, if you see here, daily support and daily resistance, I said it is sideways market in the morning only. Okay. So same thing is happening today. Okay. At 10:30, it's supposed to do 10:30 to 10:45 on move. Let's see what happens. Okay. What is the time now? Now the time is 1 second. Really don't know. It is 11 o'clock. Okay. So at 11 o'clock, it's supposed to give 10:30. Okay. So 10:30 means somewhere here. 10:30 to 10:40. So till now, the breakout has not came or breakdown not came. It's a reversal zone as per the Jupiter. We will check that. So what happens if it breaks high, we'll go up. And if it breaks low, we will not take short here. Reason is this is the buying zone. In this buy zone, we will not take the short trade. And for you guys, I have made a Mind Pro indicator. You see here, this Mind Pro indicator. When the price is above 5 EMA, this is the 5 EMA. And no, sorry, it's a 10 EMA. So high and low. This is a high of the 10 EM and low of the 10 EM. Whenever there is a B and H is coming above this, you should take a long entry and hold the trade till it gives you S and H. Okay, so if you see any S and H, you can exit the trade. You see any S and H here, no H here. Only S came, H is not there. But the price is coming below the moving average. You are supposed to exit on this trade because this is a bearish engulfing candle in 3-minute time frame. So you can book the profit when the price touches the yellow zone, or you can book the profit when the bearish engulfing happens. Okay. So from here to here, you would have made a profit of around about, if you see here, from here to here, 118 points. So at least if you capture 100 points also, it's enough for you. Okay. So this is how you need to trade. Okay. Now, if I go to FNO, now you see that the stocks which I have explained in the morning. Okay, like top gainer and top loser. Okay, Tata Motor was the top gainer, but it was gap up, hence we avoided that. Okay, you see here TCS. Instead, not TCS. Okay, TCS. See, it's a sideways now. Okay, TCS becomes sideways. Okay, so that's the reason. So once this goes like this, after that it will become sideways. You need to make mark high and low like this of the day, at least up to this level. If high breaks, take the long entry. Low breaks, don't take the short entry. Okay, take short entry only below this. Okay, so like this. So this is how you need to trade using indicator, and also you need to focus on your mindset. Reason is because even though whatever the things I teach you, if you don't believe and if you don't follow the rules, okay, so it is not possible to get the success. Many people try to do shorting here. Okay, so when the market is uptrend, don't do short trade. Don't take the short trade. You try to buy on dips. Okay, try to buy at this level. If the price comes here, you try to buy looking at the candlestick pattern, looking at the B and H setup, all those things. Okay, if you take a short trade here, this profit booking normally comes in the market. Okay, so when the market is uptrend, if you take short trade, you will earn this money. I am not saying you will not earn, but the risk and reward is very less. Risk is high, reward is less. Okay, so hence, if you want to take any short trade, you need to wait price to go below 23,700 and take the short trade. Okay, so you say that no, I would have taken here, I would have booked this much of profit. Yeah, you can do. There is no problem in that, but certain rules you need to follow. If you follow the rules, definitely you will be more successful trader. Okay, hope this video will help you. How Panchak and all these things helps you, and also how this indicator helps you. Okay, now just I'm using Mind Pro and W.D.Gann level. Okay, so Gann level says buy here, the Gann level says sell here. Now S came here. Okay, and H not yet came till now. Okay, so till H comes, we will not look for the short trade. This is in 3-minute time frame. If you keep in 1-minute time frame, you will get SH immediately. See here. Here only you can take the short trade. You can book the profit. Okay, and here buy side, buy here, you will book the profit here. Again, you will not take short here. Again, you will buy here. Again, you will book the profit here. Okay, so no short trade again. So short trade you will take only when the crossover happened, when the high of the EMA crosses the low of the EMA, you can take the short trade over here, and SH also formed. This is double triple confirmation that will help you to ensure the sure short trading setup. Okay, so this is how you need to do trading intraday, as well as based on the advice, training which you get. Okay, so this is not training a tip actually. This is what you need to follow the rules that I mean to say. Okay, so advice is nothing but how you need to trade. That is the advice, not that where you need to, which call you need to buy, which put you need to buy. That advice is not there. I'm saying how the level works. Okay, 23,840 is not crossing means it is taking a strong resistance here, and if this doesn't go below at this level, like 23,750, which I said, then it's a strong support. Okay, let's see what happens from here, how the price action comes, because it was a time where the reversal supposed to come as per the Jupiter. Instead of going up, Jupiter gives the reversal trade. Okay, so exactly at planetary positions, this is given the reversal trade setup. But along with the Jupiter, you need to follow these rules also. That will give you double, triple confidence in trading. Okay. So just I thought of making this video to all of you and how our training actually helps you to understand the trade setup. Okay. Thank you.